So here's an intriguing question. Want to know what marketing trends will dominate in 2026? Now hold on tight, because AI is already shaping the future, and in this video we'll dive into the cutting-edge predictions that will revolutionize the way you reach your audience. Get ready to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and discover how it can help you stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of marketing. AI is like a super brain that can quickly analyze massive amounts of data to find patterns and make smart predictions about what will happen in the future. It can sift through huge amounts of information much faster than any human and uncover hidden trends that might not be obvious at first glance. But that's not all. AI can also help you understand how consumers think and why they do what they do. It can study their behavior, preferences, and demographics, and use that knowledge to forecast what they will want and need in the future. Armed with these insights, you can tailor your marketing campaigns to meet the specific needs of your target audience and make them more likely to succeed. So let's take a closer look at some of the top AI tools for market trend forecasting. Google Trends allows you to track the popularity of specific keywords or topics over time. By monitoring these trends, you can get a sense of what people are interested in and adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. BuzzSumo is another great tool that uses AI to analyze social media data and identify the most shared and talked about content in your industry. This can help you tap into what's already generating buzz and create your own content around those topics. SimilarWeb provides insights into website traffic, audience demographics, and competitor analysis. It can help you predict where the market is headed by showing you what's working for others and where your competitors are getting their traffic from. Now that we've covered some of the best AI tools available, let's explore the key marketing trends that you can forecast for 2026 using AI. Personalized content is becoming increasingly important in the world of marketing, and AI can help you take it to the next level. With AI, you can analyze your audience data and create customized content that speaks to each individual consumer's needs and interests. Whether it's through email, social media, or display ads, personalized content is more likely to grab attention and drive conversions. Another trend is voice search optimization. As more and more people use voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, it's important to optimize your content for voice search. AI can help you understand how people are using voice search and make sure your content shows up when they're looking for information. AI-powered chatbots are also changing the game when it comes to customer support and lead generation. These chatbots can provide instant responses to customer queries and collect valuable information that can be used to generate qualified leads. By implementing AI-powered chatbots, you can free up your team to focus on more complex tasks while still providing excellent customer service. And here's an interesting fact. According to a recent survey, 67% of consumers worldwide are open to interacting with businesses through messaging apps. That's a huge opportunity to connect with your audience in a more personal way. But it's not just about using AI to create new marketing experiences. It's also about leveraging AI to stay ahead of the curve. By using AI to track your competitors' marketing strategies and analyze your own data, you can identify areas for improvement and stay one step ahead. As we look to the future of marketing, it's clear that AI will continue to play a bigger role. It's up to marketers to embrace these changes and use AI to their advantage. So if you want to stay ahead of the competition, don't wait. Start exploring the world of AI marketing today. And who knows, you may just uncover the next big trend that will take your business to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.